Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm participating in the Breast Cancer Awareness DIY Challenge hosted by Glamour Ellen, and the link to her channel will be in the description box below. So for my DIY, I did a two-tone vase using glitter. Here's the vase I used, which I had in my home already. I have several of those same style. I'll be using a champagne gold glitter and pink glitter called cherry blossom. Some Decor podge. This is what I found at Walmart. I don't have a preference of Mod Podge or Decor Podge. The glitters were $2.97, using some brushes and of course gloves. And you will also need a tray to catch all the excess glitter, and another gets another item to catch the other colored glitter. Here I'm pouring the decoupage on a plate. And I'll be adding the decoupage on the vase section by section. So actually I'm doing this going around the vase, starting from the bottom. And you try to spread the decoupage evenly around the vase. Adding more decoupage. And now I'm going to add the cherry blossom glitter. My experience with this glitter, you will need to add up to 4 layers of glitter for this particular color. Since it's so light, it took 4 coats of layer. 4 coats of glitter, sorry. Here I decided to do the bottom pink as well, but later on in the video you will see where I change it to gold. Added more glitter to the bottom. And you will notice there are some spots missing glitter. Just go back and put some decoupage and add more glitter to it. Now I'm working on the second section, midway to the vase. And then in this section I'm gonna add more pink glitter. And your line doesn't have to be perfect. Continue with adding decoupage around. Now I'm adding more glitter. And this is where I'm going to stop with the pink glitter so I can transition to the champagne gold glitter. Here I realized the small holes are too small, so I'm changing that to the bigger hole. So now I am going to start with the champagne gold glitter. So I'm adding more decoupage. Again, doing this section by section. Going around the vase, spreading my decoupage. So now I'm adding, And now I'm going to add the gold glitter. Make sure you add another paper on top of the tray so it can capture the gold glitter so it won't mix in with the pink glitter. And now I'm adding more decoupage to add more gold glitter. And I'll continue with the vase with the gold glitter. Here I realized section didn't have any decoupage, so I added more so I can blend in with the first layer. So I've completed the first section of the gold glitter. Again, you'll have some section, that have no glitter. Just go back and add decoupage and add more glitter. So I'm going to continue with the top and add more gold glitter. This Glam DIY vase was an inspiration of Dazzling designed by Denise and Candy of DIY designed by CCW. These ladies DIY similar vases and came out very beautiful. So I decided to do my own DIY using the same technique they use as well, but of course with the twist. And the links to their channel will also be in the description box below. Here I just added the last decoupage on this section, and now I'm adding the glitter to finish it off. And off camera I did change the bottom of the vase to gold, and also off camera I added the 4th coat of pink glitter and the 3rd coat of gold glitter. So now you will see how I styled the vase on a tablescape. Here I styled it on a pink table cover, placed it on top of a paisley mesh runner, added 2 candle holders, but did not want to add too much to the table because I wanted the DIY centerpiece to be the focal point. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to go to these ladies' channel and check them out. They have amazing contents. And if you're not a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you won't miss out on any future video. Thank you and stay blessed.